So what's up guys, I'm out here doing some tuning again because all of a sudden my quad decided to do some bounce back. I don't know, maybe it's because of the weather. It's getting warm, 13 or 15 degrees Celsius. No hyper smooth or anything like that, and I always love it when you're like on your own and all of a sudden a car comes at you and decides to park, and I don't know, they want to come back with the dog and so on, and I just want to fly, you know, because the sun is going down. And yeah, Hero 9, everything the same like how the quad was in my setup video, so let's do it.